I'm just gonna strike some paint in here. I'm just gonna have like a lighted background. We're gonna blend this out. Just doing something different, you know. See how it's mixing with them colours? Let's do something like this. And then we're going to blend that out. So here we go. I'm going to stay in this sort of green here first. And just blend this out. We won't see a lot of this here in the middle, but we'll see what's coming out at the back. Right, let's do this. Look at the beautiful colours, the green and the blue mixing together. Just a big shine of light coming behind what's going to be some mountains there. Yeah. Look at that, we've got a bit of light going on there. This bit always gets in the way, so towards the end I'll come back to that bit, but we know what we're doing. Look at that. You've got the green and the blues there, but I'm just going to put a little bit of light here. And this is just a little bit of light. There we go. Maybe the same over here, because I'm just thinking how's my mountain going to go. I just want a little bit of light there. Just blend that out. Don't forget, every single live stream is uploaded to YouTube, and I make short videos and some mini tutorials. So make sure you follow me on YouTube. Link is underneath my profile picture on TikTok. So I've used that blue, the green and some black. Just made some dark colour. Just pulled that flat. I've got a little roll of paint on my little knife there. And we're going to make a nice mountain. I want this one quite sort of, I don't know, maybe here. And I want this one sort of quite pointy. Let's go something like this. Down here, just push that in. Maybe just have a little peak coming off there. Let's have another little peak that lives there. We can have this one going off somewhere. Same brush that we've done all the colour with, we can just pull this colour down. There we go. And now our sort of base for the mountain there. We can add some mist at the bottom there if we want to. Let's just pull this all the way down. There we go. Just make that a little bit more neat. Some white here. I'm just going to put a tinge of that green in, not much. A tinge, is that even a word? That's the thing with being a painter, you make up words. It's slightly green. Slightly green with some white marbled. And we're going to cut across around here. We're going to need a bit more paint there. Just drag this paint down. And we're going to make all these different mountains. There we go. We can play so many different games here. How you want these sort of mountains to look. Go here. Maybe it comes down here. Just keeping that rocky, and like I said, I want this one coming round. So maybe it can sort of come down here. And then it goes up there. There it is, it's coming down towards us. And come back and sort of feather this out, sort of thing. But yeah, we're building up the colours, which is pretty cool. We'll have some dark in some places. Right, now I've got that sort of laid out, let's just... We're going to come sort of down here. This one. There we go. what about this one up here? Let's leave a bit of dark in there. There we go, that's quite nice. Where's this one going? We can add some stuff over here as well. We'll just add some stuff there in a moment. This dark sort of colour that I made here should make a sort of grey colour. There we go, look at that. And this is what we can use to do the shadow sort of colours. It's almost like a greeny sort of grey. Can you see that there? I'm just going to put streaks of this colour on top and make it sort of marbly. That'll give us a nice sort of effect. And this side, we'll just come down here. I don't want a lot of colour on this side. Don't want a lot of colour at all. There we go. I'm going to make that kind of quick if I can. There we go, that's kind of nice there. Just some of that dragging down. Leaving some of that dark in. Maybe, just maybe, you can see a little peak of snow on that one there. Out here. I want that to break. Something like this. Oh, it's coming really close to the mountain, isn't it? Let's go something like that. Okay, we'll do something like that. That same sort of whitish colour. Let's just put a couple of sort of twirls down here. I can come back and sort of mist this out. Just here, and make some mist. I'm going to come back and just a little bit of mist there. Come back and just add a little bit more. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. And here. This would look nice in a black frame, I think. Oh, that's so satisfying. The hill that sort of comes down here. Something like this. We just colour this in here now. We're just going to lift up here and we're going to do little tiny, just by lifting up, there's little tiny trees. There we go. Not going too high, not mixing into that black there. And down here, just keeping that mist in between. So down here is basically blue, black, and just going to tap this on, give you all different kinds of textures. It's nice. Then we can just lift up here, look. We'll have all them little tree things again. Going back to the blending now, so I'm going to blend this out here. That bit that I couldn't really reach down the bottom there. I'm going to show you guys front on as well because you're looking at the side, remember. Certificate of authenticity going on. Here's the signature. That's all done. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice one. I do like that. I particularly love the mist in the mountains.